Namaste, friends. My name is Pragnesh Shah. By profession, I am an educator. My expertise is in teaching two programming languages. Since last 17 plus years, I am teaching. During my always interaction, I found that I feel that the students supposed to do the certain things such a way that once they come as a graduate or a postgraduate, they are handy, and the companies are always looking for this kind of the students. Which kind? So that parameters I would like to discuss today. And as and when I interact with the students, I find students are complaining, sir आप बोल तो रहे हो ये करो वो करो but हमारे पास time नहीं है. So I always give an example of vacation period. So you know that right now due to COVID-19, the lockdown is continued, and we got an opportunity that now you have a holidays, so let's improve ourselves. So which are the 5 pillars that I would like to discuss today? And let's begin with that. I'll just share a screen. So I gave the title to this video is called 5 pillars that transforms from student to professional. Now the attributes of students, the attributes of professionals, that I am a right now a student, and what company is looking in a professional. Now if you do not want to do a job, and let's say you want to become an entrepreneur, so what an entrepreneur is kind of the expectations. So that is what I am right now discussing. So let's begin with that. So here my first one. So do you improve your communication skills? Now, when I say communication skills, what do you mean by communication skills? Is it an English speaking? No, not at all. To become an entrepreneur, to become a good employee, one cannot say that आपको English आना चाहिए. In an IT industry, always company is looking for the logic, not the language, not the English language. But what do you mean by communication? Is something how you speak, where you speak, what you speak. And of course, many more. I am not expert in communication skills, but I definitely insist that as a student, you must improve your communication skills. These days, everything is available online. So why don't you search and become an expert or improve your communication skills? So I'm expecting that after the end of, let's say, lockdown period, when you are meeting your friends face to face, they feel something change in your language, the way you speak, the way what you wear, and how you look, everything, complete transformation I'm expecting here. So that is my first pillar, that's a communication skill. My second one, to improve your social relationships. Now, why I'm saying social relationships? Everyone being a student, many of the times, you don't know even all your 50 to 60 college mates or classmates, right? So to be a good leader, you must communicate with each and every member of the team. So this is the area which you can improve. So why don't you try in this lockdown period, like to call the different community people. When I say different community people, if I take my example, the society, the building, the residence tower where I'm staying is my one community. My school friends is another community. My college friends are another community. My morning walk friends are another community. And why don't I just communicate with them in this lockdown period? Why should I not make a one list and that these are my 6 communities? Each community is consist of couple of members. let's say 10 members in each community, few community has got 7 members, and then let's tick that these are the members to whom we communicate. But many of them you will find that you haven't talked with a long time. So let's take an opportunity and talk with them. What's going on in their life, what they are learning, what they are doing in this lockdown period. Definitely we will learn something. So improve your relationships. Social relationships are very important. Whether it's your business venture in the future, whether it's your family occasions like wedding or engagement, you know that the all people are available with you, right? So just be in touch with that. That's called social relations. Next. So here I'm giving just one statistics that more than 50% business or social events, like as I already told, that they are basically, handled by these people. So make them strong. Next one, third one. So if you are an IT or if you are a computer science students, since my target is in this video is the IT and computer science students, improve your programming. Of course, everyone is learning the programming, but the syllabus mein jitna hai utna. So I say that when you are going for the first day in my development job, I realized that there was a gap. Of course, everything was helpful. मुझे for loop, मुझे list box, मुझे image, कैसे upload करना है सब आता था. And वो काफी help मिला. And thanks to my leader who helped me also. But then every student are not that much fortunate. So I said, when I say improve programming, what I am expecting. So go beyond the programming. Let's say I know how to make a one web page. I'll make the first, second, third, fourth web page. All the web pages becomes communicated with each other. I mean, I'll have a hyperlink and I'll make a complete website of 6 to 8 pages. Of course, I'll get some errors because वो मेरे syllabus में नहीं था. But then I learn. That is what I want to learn, how to debug, how to resolve. I'm not able to, I'll ask my friend, I'll ask my professor, I'll ask my certain guide. And if it is not online, I'll post my query, resolve that and make my solve. So at the end, I'll be completely done with the project. And why should I just keep it with me? So by keeping something in my mind, let me interact with a few community people. किसी को कुछ बनाना है क्या? And why don't you make as per their requirement and just free of cost? Everyone will like the free gift. So why don't you just gift a one simple website to your neighbor or to some of your community member, right? So that is what possible. As a third one, improve your programming. Fourth one, to improve your mental and physical health. I mean, area, the one most important is being unhealthy, right? I'm not the right person. I'm not a dietitian, but I'm very much clear that if your health is strong, you will be a good professional in your company. So search online how you can improve, right? And without any doubt, you know that whenever it's a health, it's called physical and mental. And when it is mental, it's called meditation, it's yoga, which are very important. Now, being a science student or being a student, you know that this has nothing to do with religious, right? It's a pure science that do meditation, which improves. And again, if you go online, what are the benefits of this to students? You can get it. But in professional life, it's very important to have your mental health strong, which helps to take the decisions, which helps in the crisis, which helps whenever you are down, right? All right. And my next one and the fifth one is internship. So I always insist to my all students that do internships. and many of the students replies that sir मेरे पापा बोलते हैं कि अभी आप पैसा कमाना चालू कर दोगे तो फिर आप स्टडी पे ध्यान नहीं देंगे. ट्रू, एब्सोल्युटली ट्रू. बट उनको आप अपना कॉन्टेक्स्ट बताओ. कॉन्टेक्स्ट इज समथिंग, बैकग्राउंड बताओ कि आप क्यों जॉब करना चाहते हो. आप उनको एग्जाम्पल दो सीए का, आप उनको एग्जाम्पल दो डॉक्टर का, कि ऐसा कौन डॉक्टर है जिन्होंने अपना इंटर्नशिप नहीं किया और अपना क्लिनिक ओपन कर लिया. ऐसा कौन सा सीए है जिन्होंने अपनी इंटर्नशिप नहीं की और डायरेक्टली उनको सीए का सर्टिफिकेट मिल गया. सो व्हाई डोंट दिस काइंड ऑफ द एक्टिविटीज कंपल्सरी इन आवर ऑल स्टूडेंट्स लाइफ. If it is not, let it be. Do not complain to the system, but find it out and the way you can do the job. So my intention is very clear. So just talk with your parents that this is the reason I want to become an expert how to work in an office, how to work in office for 8 hours, how to work in the office in 8 hours without my mobile, without chatting. So that helps. How to talk with the seniors. I want to just complete my day from the office and I got a one query from my senior and I have to extend, right? And how will I deal with that situations? This kind of experiences you can, I mean, view in the video, you can read in the book, but you cannot deal. You have to deal with practical. So do internship. Whether it's a vacation, whether it is a summer vacation, whether it is let's say some called semester break, anywhere, or maybe some weekend. One of my student was doing weekend job in the shopping mall, and as and when I always ask a question, the way he reply, the way he deal with among the group of 40 is completely different. You know, how to talk with the person that I can see in him. And above and all, I come to know that, oh, he's doing the job. So I can feel that, I can see that certain changes in that student, right? That is what I am expecting, that do internship. Yeah. So here is the quick revision. 5 pillars from student get transformed into the professionals. Communication skills, improve your social relations. Third, improve your programming. Fourth, mental and physical health. And the fifth one, earn. It's not just earn, it's internship, which makes you strong, right? Thank you very much. And I'm providing my email ID and my WhatsApp number in my link in case you have any doubts regarding the career or regarding IT or computer science. It will be my pleasure to support you. Thank you and take care.